Okay, we're here today at Samara and I'm just going to do a quick video as we drive through the town. But I wanted to tell you we've had a bit of bad news. We're not allowed to drive from Samara heading up towards Farssia and Zag because it's a militarized zone. Although a colleague did check for me and it was advisable that the road was not in that good condition, it was still under construction, but I have been categorically told now by the military that I'm not able to go up to this area. So what we're going to do is head up towards Tantan. I must admit the security here has been absolutely brilliant. Although they have been very discreet, as soon as you come into the town you have checkpoints, and when you leave the town at the other side you have checkpoints. But the one thing that's amazing, all the time that I've been in this town, I have seen in the corner of my eye police following me everywhere. The security has been second to none, and I must take my hat off to them with regards to that. Anyway, let me take you for a drive down through the town. Okay, we're going to take a quick drive down and go all the way through. We've got to get fuel because we've got 400 miles to do, or 300 miles, sorry, to the next sort of major town. Fuel is scarce when you're on the open roads because it is the desert, of course. But let's take you for a stroll through the town. Loads of little shops here to get coffee, groceries. There's no real big superstore here, but the local shops are perfectly good. Gas oil.
Gas one?
No, diesel. Diesel?
Diesel, yeah. What language do you speak? How many?
How many? Full, please.
Full. Okay.
Good English.
English.
Well, Wales. Play the gals.
Speak English.
Wales is, you know football? You know football? Gareth Bale? He's from Wales.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way I find of explaining.
You turn in Morocco.
Hmm?
You turn in Morocco.
Turn? No, we've been down. We can't take the road to Alfas because tourists are not allowed. Yeah, so we're going up to Tantan. 245, 25 litres, 12 to the pound. I'll put it up on the screen for you. And here's the checkpoint. They've seen us a couple of times, so they might just wave us through. But if it's the first time you enter or leave, I can promise you they do stop you. Our friend wants to be Shotgun. He led us through straight away. Well, when in the desert, be careful of camels crossing the road. Well, there we go, mate. Camels have right of way. You know, you're in the middle of nowhere when the only mates you've got. And the guy just walking up the road. I mean, Christ, how far do these people walk? We're driving and this steering wheel is starting to feel like a lead weight on my arms. We have got a constant 60, 70 knot wind, and sometimes it's on the rear, sometimes it's ahead. But if you have a look in the back mirror, you'll get a perspective if we get any sand. Camel roundabout. Now we head into the mountains. And there you go. A little tour of a Western Sahara town on the edge of the desert. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and the next video will be somewhere in the region of 300 miles time.